Hi everyone, it's Bob again with another water heater problem. I recently posted a video on how to disable the leak detection system on a Rheem Electric Water Heater. That was a great fix for my situation, and a lot of folks found that video useful. So I'll put a link in the description. The next issue that came up was a sulfur or rotten egg smell coming out of every faucet in my house. I was able to isolate it to the hot water. In researching this issue, I discovered that sulfur-reducing bacteria can live in oxygen-deficient environments. The bacteria breaks down sulfur compounds, producing hydrogen sulfide gas in the process. Hydrogen sulfide gas is what gives you that rotten egg smell. This sulfur smell may only be noticeable when the water hasn't been run for several hours. Mine was more noticeable first thing in the morning. Although this smell generally isn't harmful, it may indicate a water heater malfunction or water contamination. Most of the recommendations I found came from plumbers, like changing the anode rod in your water heater. But mine was brand new, so changing the rod didn't make sense to me. I kept searching. One suggestion I found was draining and refilling the tank. That worked, but it was only a temporary fix. So let's go to the water heater and I'll show you the easy fix that worked for me. The default temperature on my water heater is 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Bacteria can thrive at temperatures below 130. I adjusted it up 10 degrees to 130 and it fixed my problem. Now, some suggested setting a higher temperature like 140 or more for a couple hours and then returning to normal. I don't recommend this due to the scalding risk. Make sure everyone in the house is aware that you raise the hot water temperature. 130 degrees worked for me, so try the easy thing first. Beyond this, you might want to seek professional help from a plumber. Hope this helps.